Over the last decade, we've seen a huge change in how people invest. The traditional methods of investing, which often involved lengthy meetings with financial advisors and a lot of paperwork, are being replaced by more efficient, technology-driven solutions. This shift is not just a minor tweak in the system, it's a complete overhaul of how we think about and manage our finances. It used to be that only wealthy individuals had access to financial advisors. These advisors were often seen as gatekeepers to the world of investing, providing personalized advice and strategies to help their clients grow their wealth. These advisors helped them manage their money, offering tailored advice based on years of experience and a deep understanding of the financial markets. They were indispensable for those who could afford their services. But now, there's a new kid on the block: Robo-Advisors. Robo-Advisors are digital platforms that use sophisticated algorithms to manage your investments. They analyze your financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals to create a personalized investment strategy. They use technology to provide financial advice, leveraging big data and machine learning to make informed decisions. This means they can process vast amounts of information quickly and efficiently, something that would take a human advisor much longer to do. And the best part? They do it at a fraction of the cost of traditional human advisors. This cost-effectiveness is one of the main reasons why robo-advisors have become so popular. They offer a level of service that was previously only available to the wealthy, but at a price that is accessible to almost everyone. This has made investing more accessible. People from all walks of life can now get professional financial advice without breaking the bank. Whether you're a young professional just starting out or someone looking to grow their retirement savings, robo-advisors offer a viable solution. Now everyone can get help with their money. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered, making it easier for people to take control of their financial future. This democratization of financial advice is a game changer, no matter how much they have. Whether you have a small amount to invest or a large portfolio, robo-advisors can provide the guidance you need to make informed decisions. This inclusivity is one of the most significant benefits of this new technology. This rise of robo-advisors has sparked a debate. Are they the future of finance, or are they just a passing trend? Some argue that the human touch is irreplaceable, while others believe that technology can offer a more efficient and unbiased approach. Are robo-advisors the future of finance? With their ability to process data quickly and provide cost-effective solutions, they certainly have a strong case. However, the question remains whether they can fully replace human advisors. Or will human advisors always hold a place in the world of investing? Human advisors offer a level of personalization and emotional intelligence that technology has yet to replicate. They can provide reassurance and build relationships in a way that a machine cannot. Let's take a closer look at both options. By examining the strengths and weaknesses of each, we can better understand where the future of financial advice is headed. We will discuss their pros and cons. This will help you make an informed decision about which type of advisor, if any, is right for you. This will help you decide which type of advisor, if any, is right for you. It's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully, as this decision can have a significant impact on your financial future. This is an important decision. So, let's get started. By understanding the landscape of financial advice, you can make the best choice for your unique situation. So, what exactly is a robo-advisor? In simple terms, it's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, available 24/7, but instead of a person, it's a sophisticated computer program. Here's how it works. You sign up with a robo-advisor platform. You answer some questions about your financial goals. This includes your risk tolerance and your time horizon. The robo-advisor then uses algorithms to create a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your specific needs. Think of it as a financial GPS. You input your destination, your financial goals, and the robo-advisor charts the best route and makes automatic adjustments along the way. It's all about making investing easier and more accessible. Robo-advisors offer several benefits that have made them increasingly popular. These digital platforms leverage advanced algorithms and data analytics to provide personalized financial advice and portfolio management, all without the need for a human advisor. Let's delve into some of their key advantages, which have revolutionized the way people invest and manage their finances. Firstly, robo-advisors are incredibly affordable. They offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional financial advisors, making professional financial management accessible to a broader audience. Traditional human advisors often charge a percentage of your assets under management, which can add up to significant amounts over time. This can get expensive, especially as your portfolio grows. The more you invest, the more you pay in fees, which can eat into your returns. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, typically charge a low flat fee, making them a much more budget-friendly option for new investors. This allows you to keep more of your money working for you. Secondly, robo-advisors remove the emotional element from investing. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, with market ups and downs causing stress and anxiety. Human beings are emotional creatures, and our emotions can sometimes lead us to make irrational financial decisions. Fear and greed can drive us to buy high and sell low, which is the opposite of what we should be doing. Robo-advisors, being machines, are not swayed by emotions. They use data and algorithms to make decisions, ensuring a disciplined approach to investing. They stick to the plan, even when markets get turbulent, ensuring that you stay on track to meet your long-term financial goals. This can help you avoid costly mistakes and keep your investments growing steadily over time. Finally, robo-advisors are incredibly convenient. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and robo-advisors deliver just that. You can access your portfolio, make changes, and get updates anytime, anywhere from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're on the go or relaxing at home, your investments are always at your fingertips. This eliminates the need for face-to-face meetings and makes managing your investments a breeze. With robo-advisors, you have the power to take control of your financial future with ease and confidence. While robo-advisors offer numerous advantages, it's essential to acknowledge their limitations. These automated platforms have revolutionized the way we approach investing, making it more accessible and often more affordable. However, they are not without their shortcomings. Let's explore some of the drawbacks. One potential disadvantage is the lack of personal interaction. Human advisors can offer empathy, understanding, and a personal touch that algorithms simply cannot replicate. Some investors value the human touch and prefer to discuss their financial plans with a real person. This personal interaction can be crucial, especially during times of market volatility or personal financial crises, where reassurance and tailored advice are invaluable. Robo-advisors, by their very nature, lack this personal touch, which might not sit well with everyone. The absence of a human advisor can lead to feelings of isolation or frustration, particularly when dealing with complex financial decisions. Another limitation is the limited scope of services. While robo-advisors excel in managing investments, they often fall short in other areas of financial planning. Robo-advisors primarily focus on investment management. They use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They might not offer comprehensive financial planning services, such as estate planning, tax advice, or retirement income planning, which you might require as your financial situation becomes more complex. These are areas where human advisors can provide significant value. Moreover, robo-advisors might not be suitable for handling complex financial situations. If your financial life involves intricate details such as multiple properties, business interests, or unique tax considerations, a robo-advisor's standardized approach may not be adequate. If you have a complicated financial life with multiple income streams, significant assets, or unique circumstances, a robo-advisor's one-size-fits-all approach might not be sufficient to meet your specific needs. In such cases, the personalized strategies and nuanced understanding of a human advisor can be indispensable.